I welcome you all, my little Patines, to English reader session. Today we will be discussing chapter number 4. It's a beautiful poem, The Brave Little Kite, written by Catherine Pyle. Beta, we have already covered chapter 1 to 3 of Reader. Before starting this poem, I want all of you to pay attention to the class test which we have started scheduling for your revision. These tests will be helpful for you to prepare for your unit test. So do hard work. Beta, these tests will boost up your confidence to attempt unit test. So beta, do hard work and pay attention during your revision classes also. So all the best for your class test as well as for your unit test. Okay, let's start. Let's recite the poem The Brave Little Kite. Now I'll tell you what is all about the poem. Beta, in this poem is about a little kite who is very first. It was too scared. Why it was too scared? To fly high in the air. And it feels that as it flies high, it might fall on the ground. Then a big kite came there. A big kite encourages it to fly high in the air. Then the little kite looks at it and breaks free and flies up too. Then it tried to fly. At last what happened? The little kite, it is afraid, but as it tried to fly higher, it loses its fear. Right? And it sails with the big kite side by side. Now it was sailing side by side of the big kite also. And at that time, it was feeling so confident. And when it was in the air, it sees boys who seems like a small spots in the ground. And as it rests in the quiet air, it realizes that it was because it was so brave that it has reached the height. When it was in the air, it was feeling like so brave because at least when it tried to fly, it get success. Okay, so what is the moral, what is the crux of this poem, what we should learn from this poem? At least we should try. When we will try, we will get success definitely, beta. Okay, so have a look on the poet Catherine Pyle. Who is Catherine Pyle, beta? See, Catherine Pyle was an American poet and children's writer who used to write for children. Catherine Pyle, beta, she was born in 22nd of November 1863. She was the youngest of 4 children and she got died in 19th of February 1938 at her residence at 804 North Franklin, Wellington. So she was a great poet. She used to write for the children's poetry. So this is The Brave Little Kite. It's an inspirational poem which gives us inspiration. At least we should try in our life. Okay, let's start the poem. Let's recite the poem together. Yes, beta, let's start the poem. In this poem, we will see how that little scared kite become a brave kite.
The brave little kite. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know.
Here the little kite is saying, I can never do it. I cannot fly in the air. Actually, it is too scared to fly in the sky. Then one big kite came there and it was inspiring that little kite that you can fly higher in the air. Yes,
I know I should fall if I try to fly.
it was too scared. What it is saying that I know I may fall on the ground if I'll try to fly high in the air.
Try, said the big kite. Only try.
Here the big kite is inspiring to the little kite. At least you should try to fly. Then
Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm
big kite said, if you will not try, I have a fear. Then you will not learn at all to fly. Then what little kite said? See?
afraid I'll fall. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye.
The little kite said, no, I'm too afraid. I'm too scared to fly high in the air. Then at last, finally, that big kite said, nodded. Nodded means to shook its head, right? And it said, goodbye, I'm going. Now the big kite flew in the air.
I'm off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky.
And that big kite flew away in the tranquil sky. Tranquil means it's a peaceful sky. The sky, it seems to be peaceful.
Sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight.
The little kite paper stirred at the sight. Beta, whenever we used to fly kite in the air, we can see the paper of the kite, it stirred. Stirred means it moved slightly. It shakes slightly. So as the paper of the little kite, it got stirred, it was moving slightly, then
and trembling, he shook himself free for flight.
Trembling, it was shaking due to fear. Because sometimes due to fear or due to cold, we tremble. Our body gets tremble now. It gets our body shakes. Same with that little kite.
And frightened, then braver grown, up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite, looking down, could see.
Now finally, that little kite collects its courage, and finally it rose high in the sky, and finally it reached side to the big kite, and now it was sailing side by side of that big kite. See, beta?
See, the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled.
Here the little kite is rising high steadily means slowly in the air. Yes?
Thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side.
Thrilled with pride. Now it was feeling so proud that finally I reached. I am flying in the air. Now it was very excited. Thrilled with pride means it was very excited. Yes?
Side by side. While far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving round.
Now all the boys were looking like a small spots on the ground. When it reached at the highest place, at the height, now all these boys, it seems like a small spots in the ground. Yes?
And only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. And
Now finally the little kite cried, oh, how happy I am. Now I am with these, along with the birds in the air. Now, so in this poem we have seen how that little scared kite become a brave one. So we should learn from this poem that at least we should try. If we are scared from something, for example, if you are going to take a test and you are too scared that you don't know answer, then at least you should try. Out of those 4 questions, at least you have attempted 4 or 3 questions, then you will feel confidence. It will boost up your confidence that at least you have tried and you have done these 3 or 4 questions out of 10. But if you will not try, then what will happen? Your confidence level will be lacked. Okay, beta. So we should try in our life as that little kite has tried.
And all because I was brave and tried.
Yes, beta. Bye, all of you. Beta, recite this poem once again, read this poem once again, and here are some rhyming words. Rhyming words means similar sound words. For example, in first stanza, sat, had. These two are the rhyming words. Next is fly, try. Next rhyming word is all for. Next rhyming word, sight, flight. Next is grown, alone. Next rhyming word, pride, side. Next rhyming word is ear, there. Next is the cried, tried. Better write down these rhyming words in your fair notebook, and as I have sent you question answer of this poem also, write it down in your fair notebook and learn it also, and learn the word meaning also. Okay, bye all of you. All the best for your class test as well as your for unit test. God bless you all. Thank you so much, beta.